Yo, what's up, guys? Leo here from the EURJPY again with another video. And I know it's been a minute. I know it's been a while since I last posted a video. And in true fact, I haven't traded for a while. I think I haven't been trading for the last 3 weeks. I've been caught up in other business and other endeavors. Excuse me, but I've been caught up in other things that I've been doing on the side and whatnot. Because truly speaking, honestly speaking, YouTube's not the only thing that I do. So with that being said, I will not be holding back. I think from now on, I'll be consistently, even when I'm not trading, I'll be consistently dropping videos. So without further ado, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, and if you're new to the channel, drop a sub, a like, in the comments as to what you think the market might go into this week. Let's start off something. Let's see what we can do. But anyway, let's get straight into the video. Yo, so joining me on the charts, guys. So today, I don't have a lot of setups that I'm looking at, but personally, I have a few. It's just that the market has been moving in real weird ways that I do not understand. Let's get into the video. Let's get into today's video. So starting off here with the DXY on the daily charts. The dollar has been strong, so I'm not afraid to admit that I was wrong about the dollar a few weeks back with the video that I released, that I was wrong, because if you look on the dollar, you will see that clearly from this level of support it bounced off and it went all the way upwards, gained a lot of bullish momentum, and is currently buying actually. And the level that we can look at for DXY is one that I analyzed a few months ago. Actually, let's zoom out onto the 4-hour time frame. And a possible level that we can look at is this level right here. So if you look at this level, this line, the market might be headed to that level, or if not that level, that is a long-term level. But for now, what we are looking at, or what I am looking for going into this month of April, is if the market manages to reject around this level, then what we can expect is that dollar pairs will start buying, because right now, if you look at any dollar pair, they're currently selling because of dollar strength. So what I am keen to cash in on is when the dollar starts to reject or begins to reject off this level of resistance. From there, what I'll be looking for is buying opportunities on any other dollar pairs. And actually, let's jump straight to EURUSD and let me show you what I mean. So as I said, this is EURUSD on the daily charts. Anyway, as you can see, EURUSD has been selling alongside with GBPUSD and any other USD pair, USD cross. They have been selling simply because the DXY has been buying, and that is why they were selling in the first place. So with the dollar approaching a level of resistance, this means also the euro is approaching a level of support, which it is currently on. It has been testing this level, as you can see. This is a level of support and also a Fibonacci level, a level of significance. So with that being said, probably if the dollar starts rejecting or does reject, we will see some upward momentum going up into this level of resistance. Another pair that we can look at is GBPUSD. So personally, going into this week, I will not be trading because I already know that the markets will not give me my setups. And if you ask yourself how I already know that, is because I look at something called COT data. And what COT data is, the commitment of trader reports. So COT data basically sums up all the positions for hedge funds, banks, hedge managers and whatnot, people that actually move the market. So it basically tells you what they're doing. Are they buying this week or are they selling? And I use that to my advantage. So choose to stay out the market or to trade in general. So with that being said, I'm not looking at any key setups, but one of the setups that I was interested in going into this week was some of the setups were AUDJPY, and I'll tell you why. This is the reason for why I am interested in AUDJPY. The reason being is that as you can see, actually, let's go back onto the daily time frame. If you look at this, price is currently moving in an uptrend, and this is a long-term uptrend, by the way. This is the weekly uptrend. The market has been moving this way for a while now, and as you can see, how the market moves is it moves this way. So it's an impulse, correction, impulse, correction, and after a correction, what we can expect is an impulse again. So the reason why I will not be trading this week is because both the Aussie dollar and the yen are selling, which what we may see going into this week, we may see a consolidation period going into this week, and then maybe going to that other week we may see some buying momentum starting to occur in the market. And because AUDJPY is a pair that correlates with all the other JPY pairs that I have on my list, we may see something similar on them. Just to give you a heads up, actually, we may see something similar on those pairs. So now let's jump down onto the 4-hour time frame, and I'll show you what I mean, what I see on the 4-hour time frame. What I will be expecting some a bit more. So I will be expecting a bit more consolidation, maybe a move down deeper into this level, consolidation before price begins to move upwards, because price doesn't just jump up and down, it consolidates sometimes. There's the accumulation phase, the manipulation phase, and all this and that. So with that being said, let's move on to the next pair, which is NZD-JPY. So on NZD-JPY, something very similar on AUDJPY that is happening on AUDJPY. But what we may see going into this week on NZD-JPY, we may see a sell-off, actually, or a continued consolidation phase on this one. So one of the two, either way, because it has broken below this level. Personally, I'm not looking to sell this level, to sell this pair, but if you are looking for shorts, just wait for the market to retest and then maybe sell down all the way to this level, which is the 89.074. So that is a level you actually can look at. But overall, in the DJPY is an uptrend. The next pair that we can be looking at is CAD-JPY, which this one registers as a sell. So personally, I will not be taking that setup, but I see why this would be selling going into this week. The reason for me thinking why this is going to sell is because if you look at this, price has not managed to correct all the way going into these Fibonacci levels. So this is what we may see. We may see price creating a deeper consolidation or a deeper correction into those fib levels, coming down into that level of confluence, maybe even a consolidation period going to this week. Then from there, what we may see is a buy all the way to the uptrend. Because the reason why I'm long biased on these pairs, or I'm looking for buy opportunities, is because, for one, it's because they are overall in a bullish or an uptrend. They are overall in an uptrend. So whenever something is in an uptrend, it doesn't matter if it's selling short term, major momentum or major trend is still trending upwards, which is why I'm long biased and not looking for sells, even if I do get sell signals. So another one that similar to the other 2-3 pairs that I've analyzed is this one, GBPJPY, which I'll give you a quick summary also. Here on GBPJPY, I'm looking for consolidation, then continuation. But going into this week, as I said, I will not be trading any of these pairs because of my own reasons. But you are welcome to trade. And another one that we may see a deeper retracement is this one. We may see price pull back deeper into these levels before going all the way up through those highs. And then going on to the next is NZD-CAD. And this one is actually surprisingly, it dropped even further. What I was waiting for in NZD-CAD, I was waiting for a correction. Actually, it was around this level. I was waiting for price to pull back into this level. Even before that, price was here. I was looking for a correction, maybe hoping to catch the setup for sells, but unfortunately price failed to reject and retest that level to show any respect for that level, which is unfortunate, but it happens a lot in the market. And here is another one. This one I may be looking to short going into this week, depending on if my entry criteria is met. And if you look at a video that I posted a few weeks ago, you'll see that I actually predicted what price would do, or what I was looking for me to take the short setup. Because price, if we look on the weekly time frame, it was around this level when I predicted. Price had broken below this level of support, now turned to resistance, and whenever price breaks a level, it will come back to retest the level, maybe consolidate on the level, and then continue to the downside. This is the long-term take profit, or TP, long-term target, and that is what we're looking for. So with that being said, let me break it down for you what I'm looking for. What is my entry criteria going into this week? What I'm looking for. So if price, as it did break out right now, if price right now manages to pull back just a little bit more, I will be looking for sell opportunities all the way down to those targets. Of course, taking profits along the way. So thank you for watching, guys, and until next time. And if you've enjoyed this video, drop a like, a sub, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.